Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious fruit salad with curd. First, let's talk about the essentials. You'll want to gather a variety of fresh, ripe fruits. Think about a colorful mix like strawberries, blueberries, cantaloupe, and grapes. For the base, choose a plain, unsweetened curd to ensure the natural fruit flavors shine through. Finally, have a gentle sweetener ready, such as a few tablespoons of honey or maple syrup, to adjust to your preference. These simple ingredients are the foundation for a delightful treat. Now that you have your ingredients, let's get them ready. Begin by washing all your fruits thoroughly under cool, running water to remove any dirt or residues. For larger fruits like melon or pineapple, carefully chop them into uniform, bite-sized pieces, making them easy to eat. Remember to remove any seeds from grapes or melon, and peel away any tough skins from fruits like kiwi or oranges. Proper preparation ensures every spoonful is enjoyable and hassle-free. With your fruits prepped, it's time to bring everything together. In a large mixing bowl, gently combine all your prepared fruits. Next, add your plain curd. Using a spatula, carefully fold the curd into the fruit mixture until every piece is lightly coated. This gentle motion helps prevent the fruit from bruising. Finally, drizzle in your chosen sweetener, like honey or maple syrup, and mix it in until it reaches your desired level of sweetness. Taste and adjust as needed for perfect balance. Your fruit salad with curd is almost ready to enjoy. For the best flavor and texture, I recommend chilling the salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. When you're ready to serve, consider garnishing with fresh mint leaves for a pop of color, or a sprinkle of chopped nuts for added crunch. It's a refreshing and healthy treat perfect for any time of day. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.